In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Navy Federal Credit Union. You'll find this tutorial particularly helpful if you're serious about managing your finances with ease and efficiency. So let's get started on this journey to get you all set up. First, we want to navigate our way to the Navy Federal Credit Union's website. To do that, open your preferred internet browser and perform a search for Navy Federal using Google. This search will lead you to a variety of results, but you should click on the link that reads Navy Federal Credit Union, Banking, Loans, Mortgages, and Credit. This is the official website and your gateway to accessing their full suite of online resources. Once you're on their homepage, look for the section titled Credit Cards. Clicking this will present you with a variety of options and details about their credit card services. Here, you're going to want to look for a link that says Pre-qualify for a card. By selecting this option, Navy Federal will guide you through determining which credit cards you might qualify for without affecting your credit score. A helpful tool if you're shopping around or just curious to know your options. Next, you'll see an option that says Pre-qualify me for a new card. When you click this link, Navy Federal's pre-qualification process will begin. This is a straightforward process, but it's a good idea to have some personal information handy, such as your social security number and employment details, to make the process go smoothly. If you already have a Navy Federal account, you'll want to go ahead and log in now to access more personalized options. However, if you're new and need to become a member, look for the button labeled Become a Member and click it. Membership is required to benefit from the full range of services Navy Federal provides, including secure online banking. Now, assuming you're opting to become a member, there'll be further prompts to guide you through the membership application process. Don't worry, this step-by-step guide is designed to make sure you experience no hiccups on your path to membership. After you have either logged in or become a member, look for the Continue button and proceed by clicking it. This will finalize your online setup, allowing you to explore the range of financial services available at your disposal. With Navy Federal's online banking, you'll have access to manage your accounts, pay bills effortlessly, or check statements right from the comfort of your home or on the go. By following these steps meticulously, you're now well equipped with the necessary tools to manage your finances more efficiently and securely. Enjoy your newfound financial freedom with Navy Federal Credit Union's online banking services.